All right, y'all. The last thing for this week is this time management planner. Obviously, you're not going to have that day-to-day oversight that you did when you came to the classroom with teachers looking over your shoulder, making sure you were staying on task, making sure you're keeping up with things. You're not going to have that now. If you fall behind in class, if I see you're not participating in discussion boards, that sort of thing, I will be reaching out to you, but it's just not going to be on a day-to-day basis. So it's going to be up to you. Take control of your learning, take advantage of this time, make the best of the education, make the best of the spring semester. You're still going to have more time now, more free time now than you were during class, but still set some time apart each day to work on your schoolwork. With that in mind, I have two planners here, a weekly planner, a daily planner. You don't have to do both, just pick one, whichever one you want to do. But on this weekly planner, make it a generic week. Okay, usually I wake up at 10 a.m. So I'll eat breakfast here and there. Maybe up from 12 to 3 is when I'm going to work on school. Maybe that's what you pick there. Or maybe you do 12 to 2 with an hour break there, and then you do 3 to 5. However you want to do it, just pick that out, start blocking that off. When you want to have free time, when you want to play video games, make this as detailed as you can and follow it as best you can because it will really help you get into a habit. Make sure you're not, um, waking up at 3 o'clock every day and not having time to do your schoolwork every day. You could also use the daily planner, again, making a generic day. Okay, what time do you want to wake up? Make it a generic day. And then you can start using these reminders. What do you have to do that day? And use this I'm grateful for. What are you grateful for that day? Those sorts of things. Urgent here. Maybe you have a project due. Put that in the urgent.